Hello and welcome, this is Angie with thecountrysheepcottage.net. So today we're going to talk about Cricut's new mosaic vinyl. So if you're looking for a mosaic iron-on video, we have that as well, and I'll drop a link for that in the description below. But this is for adhesive vinyl, and it comes in several different colors and patterns. Everything from squares, which is what we're going to use, to circles, to like a fish scale pattern, tons and tons of different patterns, all available from Cricut.com or probably Amazon or something like that if you want to search there. So today we're going to talk about how to use it. So it's pretty similar to regular vinyl, but I did want to run through it just in case some of you are using it and have some questions about how to use it and how to use it correctly. So here we go. Let's make this fun project.
To make this project, you'll need some white paint, a 10 by 10 unfinished wood panel. You'll need regular vinyl in the color of your choice, the mosaic vinyl, again the color of your choice and shape of your choice, and some transfer paper. So the first thing we're going to do is paint the entire wood panel with the white paint. So one coat on this is fine with the paint I'm using. You may find that depending on the paint you choose that more than one coat may be required. Just allow it to dry completely before you actually add the vinyl to the project. While your paint dries, you can actually cut your pieces. So the mosaic vinyl, you put that on your mat, good side up, and then you don't have to mirror your design or anything. You just cut right on top of the vinyl. Now, be sure to pick mosaic vinyl from the drop-down menu. So if you're using an Explorer series, switch your dial to custom and pick mosaic vinyl. Then once everything is cut, you're going to want to weed everything away. So this is just a regular premium vinyl, and we want to weed away everything that is not part of our design. So we're going to start in the corner. And then just continue weeding until only our design is left. Then we can just basically use the same technique for the mosaic. So there's really no difference. You can just start peeling back the excess away from the design. So the mosaic vinyl is actually not individual squares. So it is a sheet of vinyl that's clear with the mosaic almost printed on it. So this is pretty stiff, so what I like to do is cut it into smaller pieces as I'm weeding, and then use my weeding tool around the edges. So it's similar if you've ever weeded a holographic vinyl. It's basically the same concept. And there we have our weeded design. So now our board is dry, and I cut a piece of transfer tape approximately the size of my project. So we can use this for both this and the mosaic. You don't have to cut two pieces. Then we'll just peel the transfer tape back and put that right on our vinyl. Then we'll just want to use a squeegee, press down well. You could also use like an old gift card or credit card or something for this step. Then I like to flip it over and peel from the back. Now you can save this backing paper, and we'll put the transfer tape right back on it and save it for later, but we'll actually just use it for the mosaic right after this one. So this one we're just going to line up with the outside of our panel. And then just start working our way from one side to the other. we'll just peel the transfer tape back, making sure the vinyl is stuck in place. And once you're finished, you'll want to burnish it down once again. Make sure all the bubbles are out before you move on to the mosaic. You can actually use the same piece of transfer tape for the mosaic portion. And we'll just use the same steps as for regular vinyl for mosaic. Just want to make sure that it's lined up with the green you've already applied. And you can start peeling it back off of the project. Then once you've removed the transfer tape, be sure to burnish everything down well. And then your project is complete.
So actually pretty simple, and it can add a really cool effect all within a couple minutes to your project. So here I used it as a background for this dinosaur art, but think about different ways that you can use this in your projects, and I'm sure that you'll get creative and it'll open up a whole new world of crafting possibilities, which is the reason we all use a Cricut anyway, right? So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you love this video, love this project, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the mosaic vinyl itself, leave them in the comment section below. Again, if you're looking for the mosaic iron-on video or mosaic heat transfer vinyl video, I'll leave a link for that in the description below and you can find that. You might want to head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. We have Cricut and crafty videos all the time, and you don't want to miss any of those. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next week with another great Cricut video. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.